Ako po si Ray Marcel Durang, operator ng DTF dito sa DT Dumaguete. Ang machine dito ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw na may total na 185 meters. Ito naman yung printer head area. Last palit po ng whitehead is noong August 2023. Ito naman yung capping na may 70% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. At nozzle test. Ito naman yung ink tank area. Yung ink po natin is sa puno po yung black, cyan at saka magenta. Medyo mababa po yung yellow at saka white. Ito naman yung waste tank area. Last disposal po last week. Ito naman yung EVR. Ground wire. Ito naman yung mga supplies na unused ink. Unused powder. At film. Ito naman yung consumable ng cyan. Magenta. Yellow. Black. White ink. DTF powder. At film. Ito naman yung daily output record. At printer daily checklist.